In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Kimi AI to solve some complex mathematical problems. So assuming I have this math problem, this formula, and I want it to analyze and tell me the use of this formula and what it is all about. So we can come back to Kimi AI and I can all the way come over here and click, and we can drag and drop as well. We can drag the formula, can drag it and drop it in, and then we can ask the questions. Can you give me a clear explanation of what this formula is all about and where it can be useful? So uploaded the formula and I can just go ahead and say enter to this. Okay, it looks like the picture you sent is not a real mathematical formula at all. It's just a meme that plays on the way latex and physics style work. Okay, line by line decoding. So it now understood that the formula may not necessarily be a real formula because I just picked it online, but it is giving us line by line analysis of what the formula is all about. Say it out loud and analyzing the key areas from that formula. So it really depicts and reads the formula, and it is now giving us content. Where could such a thing be useful? Nowhere serious, occasional icebreaker, meme culture, social media, and so on. Even though it found it to be kind of useless because it is just a formula I picked online, but it tried to make meaning out of it and where it could possibly be applied anywhere within any context that you find yourself. So this is actually how to bring in any formula. For example, let's try to bring in another one. This is also a real formula that we can bring in and then try to see, can you analyze this one as well? All right, and let's go ahead and hit on enter and take a look at this formula. It is kind of very complex, but let's see whether this is going to be the construction of the mystery equation. Quickly notice that this equation is on the construction of the mystery equation. Okay, so it is explaining part by part, the fraction part, the comma part, the final plus 5 equals to 69 part, as well as now the purpose and usage of this particular equation. Also, I picked it as well from online, and take a look at how it just quickly dissect everything and give us some analysis of what it thinks about the equation. Okay, integral block and so on. So this basically explains how to use Kimi AI to analyze complex equations of your choice, mathematical equations. So go ahead and try to see whether you can use it to an advantage to understand any equation or thereabout. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.